When I qualified as a chartered accountant in 1975, I took a 2-year contract and went to Kingston, as I thought, well, it's an English-speaking location, the same sort of systems there, so it'll be familiar to some extent. And it'll be a part of the world I'm sure I'll never visit again, which just shows you how one can be wrong. I came to Cayman on less than 24 hours notice. It all began with the collapse of the Bank of Credit and Commerce International, BCCI, and took a call from a senior partner of our firm. So he said to me, "Mike, it's going to be a big job. It'd be good if you could just get down here." So I said, well, okay, which is what you say to senior partners. When would you like me down there? He said, well, tomorrow would be good.
He really had an open-door policy and encouraged us to follow our own professional judgment, sort of manage things, but he was always there to provide advice and is someone you could really trust and count on.
It was a case, really, I think, of making sure that this jurisdiction remained competitive.
We saw IFAC's membership as one of the ways that we could do that.
And the accountant's law is really part and parcel of all of that, because that gives you the governing statutory framework for these other developments.
CIIPA owes him a great debt of gratitude for helping us move that public accounts law forward.
Mike really encouraged all of us to not only contribute to the profession, but also to charitable purposes.
The Friends of the Library as a support group for the library service. There's a number of initiatives in which that has been quite successful. The refurbishment of the old library building is probably the major thing that we've done. But there are a number of programs that are run. I'd like there to be more.
He was actually our first treasurer back when he came on board in 2008.
It's opened up a whole horizon of involvement with individuals and an art form that's alien to me. And perhaps the more important aspect has been the development of these various educational programs. Someone like Dequan Smith, he's a remarkably talented individual. I think he'll do great things.
I think it's very exemplary of many people in our profession who are working day to day with their job, trying to improve the profession and really try to get everyone involved in doing more for the community.
Mike, congratulations on your award, and it's very well deserved.